I just got my CDL B license with Driving Academy. I like the Driving Academy because it was very simple to learn, the instructors were excellent, and if you want to get your CDL, this is definitely the place to go. Rate of 80% failure. I really worked hard, diligent. The instructors were very strict with me, very good, and I passed my test on the first try. Now that I got my license, I'm planning to start a second career driving a shuttle bus, hopefully for Rutgers University. If you're looking to get your CDL, you need to come to Driving Academy because you will definitely leave with it. Driving Academy got me on my road to freedom.